Students should form study groups for better learning outcomes. Students should form study groups for better learning outcomes.
Most students rely on public transportation for commuting. Most students rely on public transportation for commuting.
Desert animals adapt uniquely to harsh living conditions. Desert animals adapt uniquely to harsh living conditions.
Industrial design blends aesthetics and practical functionality. Industrial design blends aesthetics and practical functionality.
Global migration patterns affect labor markets and social policies. Global migration patterns affect labor markets and social policies.
Climate change affects agriculture, water availability, and food security globally. Climate change affects agriculture, water availability, and food security globally.
Please silence your phones before entering the lecture hall. Please silence your phones before entering the lecture hall.
Art can be a powerful medium to express political opinions. Art can be a powerful medium to express political opinions.
Financial planning should start early in professional careers. Financial planning should start early in professional careers.
Proper sleep is essential for good concentration and memory. Proper sleep is essential for good concentration and memory.
Vaccinations help prevent the spread of infectious diseases. Vaccinations help prevent the spread of infectious diseases.
Learning a new language enhances cognitive flexibility significantly. Learning a new language enhances cognitive flexibility significantly.
Prepare well before attending your job placement interview. Prepare well before attending your job placement interview.
He volunteers at the animal shelter every weekend without fail. He volunteers at the animal shelter every weekend without fail.
Literature reflects the values and beliefs of society. Literature reflects the values and beliefs of society.
Music often reflects historical events and cultural values. Music often reflects historical events and cultural values.
Children learn languages faster than most adults do naturally. Children learn languages faster than most adults do naturally.
Glaciers are melting due to rising global temperatures. Glaciers are melting due to rising global temperatures.
Ancient civilizations built their homes using natural materials. Ancient civilizations built their homes using natural materials.
Scientists measured atmospheric pressure with specialized instruments. Scientists measured atmospheric pressure with specialized instruments.
Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun. Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun.
Did this video help you with your PTE preparation? Show your love by smashing the like button, sharing it with others who are preparing, and subscribing to our channel for more helpful content. Let's conquer the PTE together.